Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Duolingo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Duolingo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Duolingo application. The official page of Duolingo application will appear on the screen. Click on I already have an account option. On the next page, enter your username or email address and password associated with your Duolingo's account and tap on sign in. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. You can also log into your Duolingo's account using your Facebook or Google account as well. This is how you can log into your Duolingo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.